India.
We came here to help build better farmers.
It's a tough market to corner.
India was open for business, and I wanted carbide at the heart of the revolution.
कार्बाइड में काम किया है।
आज तो यूनिफॉर्म में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो।
My name is Warren Anderson. Remember, we're not just Carbide, we are Union Carbide, united in our efforts to build a better future for everyone.
Welcome to Bhopal. Free guide. What kind of things do you write?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle, okay. You want to write a real story?
We may need to implement some structural changes.
This could have serious implications.
I'm willing to take that risk. What is our official line?
As long as we are learning from our mistakes, we are safe.
Union Carbide stores 40 tons of poison in the heart of Bhopal.
One drop of your stuff killed her husband.
We set the highest safety standards in the industry.
Link the tanks. Push them hard.
Is that a good safety precaution?
Your factory is choking this town.
But this factory feeds this town. Tell me something. You think carbide should stay here in Bhopal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can sleep tonight.